This is the Murphy Sofa Stratus, a comfortable, well-designed sofa with soft padded seat and curved soft padded arms, which is very comfortable to sit on and perfectly compatible with the Murphy Sofa system. It folds over without having to move the base sofa and reveals a comfortable bed which you can choose your own mattress for. You could even use the back pillows against the board for a headrest. It seamlessly transitions up and down. It's easy to lift and lower. Here is an example of a transforming table that can go from coffee to dining height and back down, which you can leave below the bed if you choose to, or leave your own coffee table, an ottoman, or nothing. It's up to you. The bed rests on an amazing slot system that helps give you airflow, support, and allows you to use the mattress of your choice, up to 10 inches in height, so you can have as comfortable a sleep as you desire by purchasing your own mattress of your choosing. Here you can see the arms on the right side and the left side, which are at a nice height so you can easily get in and out of the bed without interference. Optionally, you can also use a cupboard system that we sell separately, or use your own cupboards to the side, which make a nice addition. The Murphy Sofa Stratus is a comfortable and easy to use system that works well in any apartment. It's also completely modular and upgradable, so you can choose to add in modules at a later date to make it into a bigger system.